How to use telepathy to make someone think of you. Learn how to train your mind to use the psychic power of telepathy to make someone think of you, even if you are far away. Discover the secret way to pass messages and feelings using only brain waves. Telepathy is one of the most popular psychic powers in the world. You have already seen it in dozens of movies, TV shows, and even some cartoons. You know that he is the right one for you, because you can feel it deep inside you. Even a psychic love reading is going to tell you exactly that. Learning telepathy to make someone think of you at any moment of the day is just giving a little push to the universe to join you with your soulmate. The basic concept of telepathy is to transfer thoughts without speaking a single word. You only use the power of your mind to communicate with other people and talk directly to their subconscious mind. Keep in mind that this power is way different from mind-reading techniques. By using only telepathy, you can't know what the other person is thinking. The main focus of this power is only to transfer messages. It will not give you access to the private thoughts of your target. 5 easy steps to train your telepathy powers. Have you ever called someone over the phone, and the first thing you hear is "I was just thinking about you"? That is one of the main signals that you have the telepathy power already within you. When you try to connect with your soulmate mentally, this psychic telepathy will become much stronger because of the spiritual connection between you two. The moment you start thinking about the person you intend to call, your mind is already working on the message you are about to send. It creates a subconscious connection with the other person at that moment. However, if your telepathy skills are not properly trained, it would be impossible to send a complete message. This is why I have for you these 5 simple steps to use telepathy to make someone think of you. 1. Meditate during 10 uninterrupted minutes. It is important to free your mind from other thoughts and distractions if you want to send a clear message. 2. Repeat the message you want to send several times. This is one simple way to transfer the message from your conscious mind to your subconscious. 3. Look at the picture of the person you want to think of you. In this step, you are giving the directions to your subconscious of where to send the message. It is like typing an email address. 4. Close your eyes and visualize the person and the message at the same time. You need total concentration to achieve this. Any other thought would interrupt the connection you are trying to create. 5. Repeat the steps 2, 3, and 4 during at least 5 minutes. You might feel a little bit tired or sleepy after this telepathy technique. This is entirely normal. Your mind is just adjusting to using this new psychic ability. These 5 steps will let you start focusing the power of your subconscious mind in a single task. You might not succeed in the first few times, but do not give up. If you want to get more proficient with your telepathy powers, find a friend who is willing to help you. Try to send messages to him or her while you two are in separate rooms. That way you will instantly know if your powers are working or not. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe.